Well,
I don't know if nobody's noticed, but Mike Conley is coming into his own. You can start mentioning his name with the bigger names, the Roses, the Westbrooks, the Pauls, and the Darren Williams. He right up there. And the way he's been playing these last 10 games, I mean, wow, it's been amazing. I'm just glad he's keeping it simple. You know, he's not forcing anything. He's playing hard on the defensive end, and he's distributing the ball, getting all his guys involved. So, you ain't heard it from me. I mean, you ain't heard it anywhere else. You heard it from me. He's one of the elite point guards this year.
Does this prove, again, that the style that you guys play defensively is good enough no matter what happens offensively? Because it was hit or miss all night.
Well, it's a perfect example of you understand what Grizzly basketball is about. You know, we grind. Nothing pretty about nothing we do. We struggling offensively. One thing we're going to lay our hats on is defensive end. And as you saw today's game, it came down to a stop and a score. And we had our scores in for a score. And we needed stops. We were able to get those stops. And it's just a typical grit and grind game. And I just happy to be a part of it. I'm glad we were able to do it together.
How much pride have you taken in your transition? Tonight, I mean, you had 8 pass break points for the Nuggets. You held them to 87 points. It's very unusual. It's a big part of what you went through.
Well, I think every game we are working in progress. And I think, guys key into the, the scouting report today. Well, every game, coach puts the film up there and whatever's the key gives a win. I think guys stick to it no matter how much it doesn't go right in the course of the game. I think guys stick to the game plan, and that's what's been key. Because we already knew there was a big transition, and I think everybody bought in.
When you look and see, they've been doing some studies, some film market stuff, and showing how important aggressive help defense is, and how important it is to be aggressive, and just even to getting guys lines of sight, even if it's not necessarily strictly by the X's and O's. Have you noticed that? Is that part of what you do in terms of just being out there and just saying, I'm just going to give the kids what about it. I'm just going to be in the middle of this thing.
Yeah, well, some games are better than others. Sometimes, they put those shooters out there and they burn me when, I help too much. But for the most part, I try to help my teammates as much as possible. I feel I'm athletic enough to go help and get back to my man. I feel that if I'm going to be a first team all defender, which I know I am,
that's right.
I have to make those type of plays, man. Night in, night out. I try to, have that energy to do it, and try not to let my team down.
Is that something that you do just yourself as a veteran, a guy that's an elite defender, or is that something that you talk about with Lionel and Dave and all those guys?
No, because some games they yell at me. Some games they tell me, TA, don't help too much. But I just go off basic instinct and, just understanding that, God has given me the ability to be able to, go out there and help my teammates. And I think my teammates enjoy it. That makes those guys pressure the ball even more, make it difficult for whoever's trying to attack. And just a grinder, man. I don't know what to do.
How's your knee? I mean, it looks like something that's been a thing. It looks like it's been as healthy as it's been since you've been a Grizzly for the last 2 months. You look like you're more consistent with it. Is there something that's changed? It looks pretty healthy.
I never knew nothing was wrong with my knee, but yeah, I'm cool. I'm all right.
You're putting out another big game for you again. Congratulations. I think you're Defensive Player of the Year first time. You play against somebody, Kendrick Perkins. It's always like playing against your from Boston. So.
It's the same. I keep the business aspect going. I need to come out here and get the win. I need it more than they do. We just basically put the friendship to the side, and crazy as it sounds, it turns into a dogfight.
Yeah, I really feel like Boston missing you up there because you were a great defensive player when you were with them too, and you get it.
Shout out to Boston, man. I'm a Grizzly, bro.
Yeah, no. Thank you. Congratulations.